Music visualizers have become extremely popular several years back. Before starting out, let's have a quick glance of the templates that you can use. So before discussing the video, let's have a glance. While the sound creators, I am Priya Sachdeva with Onemaker.io. We help you to amplify your brand and business and help you in your creative journey. Music videos are awesome but expensive. It takes a substantial amount of time, energy, resources, money to make something worth watching. With the professional footage, music visualizers are a great alternative because they create exciting content that's shareable while staying at a much more affordable rate. To make this process easier for you, here you can check out our best templates that you can use with your creation with a little bit of customization. There are also some free templates here. More than that, there are 4 choice categories from which you can choose. But I also think that you might like to get a 2-month free subscription with Onemaker.io. On Onemaker.io, we are simply organizing our giveaway. Yes, you heard it right. It's a simple giveaway for you. To enter, all you have to do is to like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite music visualization templates. We will select 40 winners at random in one. And do not forget to leave your Instagram or Facebook handle or any contact details so we can approach you in case you win. 2 months of free subscription, you discover free music visualizer templates, logos, creatives, free slideshows, create unlimited videos directly without watermark and render it into HD. Also, I think that you had enjoyed this video if you have gone this far. So do not forget to like and share this video. We'll come with a new topic, better venues, and some great ideas for you. So you're supposed to hit the subscribe button so you're the first one to watch our new video. See you in the next video on this tag. Bye bye.